Hey, what's going on? In today's video, we are going to be talking about the newest feature on YouTube, the Research tab. I'm going to show you where to find it, how to use it, and how it can also save you a lot of time and help you grow your YouTube channel coming up next. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy and I help you with YouTube and TikTok tips and tricks to help you grow your platform. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the awesome features that I really love and how I'm already utilizing it and how you can utilize it also. Hey, but before I begin, I want to let you know that I've also launched my merch, t-shirts, hats. I also have coffee mugs here. This is meant to be a conversation starter. So it says, follow me on TikTok. So if you're at your job, school, wherever you might be, and someone says, hey, what's your TikTok? Good conversational starter. You can see the prices in the links below or on my store. Check it out. Support. It definitely helps me out to make all of these videos so that you can constantly get information that's going to help you grow your platform. Share this video with someone as we go ahead and dive into the Research tab on YouTube. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to your dashboard, which we are on right now. Once you are in there, go ahead and click on Analytics. And if you have this feature, it's going to be on the right side of Revenue right there, Research tab. Go ahead and click on that. And you will see explore what viewers are searching for on YouTube. Now, right off the bat, that is super cool because it tells you that it's going to give you an insight of what people are searching for. Why is that valuable? Because that's what the content you want to start making on YouTube so you can grow your channel. Use this tool to research some of the top searches from the viewers on your channel and across YouTube in the last 28 days. So when you start making topics on the top searches, your channel, which would be my 10,000 subscribers, are now going to watch more of my content. And if I was only under maybe 500 subscribers, that's going to grow my watch time, getting me to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours. That's why this tool is super cool. So let's go ahead, search across YouTube. For me, I do TikTok and YouTube. So let's put how to go viral on TikTok. Hit enter. It tells me right away that how to go viral on TikTok is high. If I made a video on that right now, it's gonna get views, likely subscribers, some shares. But then it also tells me that go viral on TikTok, it's okay, it's doing pretty well. And then what's really low is trying to go viral on TikTok or TikTok hashtags to go viral. So you might not want to make videos on that. And then it also gives you all searches or content gaps only, which we'll go over in a second. States, United States, India, plus 3 more. Or you could just select Australia, Canada, India, United Kingdom, and United States. I already clicked on these before. In Australia, if I hit apply, in Australia, they're just searching for how to go viral on TikTok. Now, you notice how to go viral on TikTok for Australia is medium. So, it's really searched for in the United States. And so we'll go back and we'll click on all and hit apply. And then once again, it's back to high. Now, up here it says your viewers' searches. So explore search terms relevant to your channel based on what your viewers and viewers of channels like yours are looking for on YouTube. This is gold. Now, this is not typing in anything. This is what people are searching for on my channel. How to see who's viewed your TikTok. That is my next video. Guaranteed that is my next video. It is a new feature. I've seen it on my tablet, but I am waiting for it to appear on my phone. How to update your iPhone. That's not something that I would do. But it is, if I made one, it's high. I might turn into a tech channel. I don't know. Right now I'm, YouTube and TikTok tips and tutorials. And how to make a TikTok video. Now, I personally think that this is kind of outdated, but apparently people are still joining TikTok every day. And so they want to know, how do I make a TikTok video? So I probably should hop on that just to cover all bases and say that I've made a video on how to make a TikTok video. Why? Because people are searching for it on demand. It's high searchable volume on YouTube. So hey, content gap. So let's go over content gap. What is a content gap? Content gap, when we click on it, it says viewers can't find relevant videos for their searches. For example, the content is old or low quality. That's the third bullet point. But the first one is viewers can't find any results for their searches. So a content gap for this right here, which is how to see who viewed your TikTok, is telling me that something's coming up on YouTube when they're searching for it, but not really what they're looking for. So that's where I come in and I make a video that's specifically going to answer the questions of what they're exactly searching for. So content gap is a good thing because it's telling me there's an opportunity here. And if you make a video right now, your video can skyrocket, getting you views, subscribers, shares, likes, comments, the whole nine. So this feature is super cool. Let me know, guys, in the comments, do you have this feature or don't? Now, I already clicked save. As you see, the third option over here, save search terms that you want to explore. I can click on it, those two, and when I go over here to save, you can see that it appears there. I'm gonna uncheck those. And send feedback. This is pretty much the feature right now. I mean, this is so cool because mainly, let's just try something random, something that I don't do. What is the best camera? What is the best camera lens? Boom. Now, this is not even for my channel, but it's telling me the best camera lens for mobile camera is what people are searching for. Not necessarily for your DSLR, but for your camera phone. Why? Because everything's going to camera. Now, it's not high, but it's medium. How to go viral. Let's put in how to go viral without putting in any platform. Enter. The highest one is She Wanna Go Viral Gonna. That's probably a song or something. The second one is how to go viral on TikTok. Let's try something different. How to gain subscribers on YouTube. So the top high search is how to gain subscribers on YouTube fast. People want to grow their channel. If I made a video right now, that's the one that's going to get attention. Now, your thumbnail is going to matter. So, hey, this is a super cool feature, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, how to gain 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is medium, meaning it's okay, but you're still going to get some traction on there. Hey, so let me know, did this help you at all? Did it give you an understanding of what the research tab is for? If you're new to YouTube or you have under 1,000 subscribers and you're really trying to grow your channel, this is a great tool for you to use. I wish they would have had this 3 years ago. Now, I will say this is kind of like TubeBuddy, but built in the YouTube backroom or the YouTube dashboard. You can't get this on your phone. The research tab is not on your phone, unfortunately. So as much as I wish it was on the phone, it's only on the desktop version. Or maybe if you have a tablet or a laptop, it's only on the dashboard there. It is not in the YouTube Studio app or the YouTube app, unfortunately. Comment below, let me know, what do you think about it? And if you haven't already, like this video, share it with someone who can benefit from it, and subscribe to the channel. Help me out as I help you by providing you high quality content that will help you grow your YouTube and TikTok profile. All right, guys, so hey, until next time, I will see you on the next video.